In this video, I want to talk about how you can call Stripe. Now, first of all, what you need to do is head up here to the help. Inside of here, first, what you can try and do is talk with the AI assistant. And if you keep talking with it and say you want to talk to an agent, it's going to put you through to customer support. Now, if this doesn't work, you can get over here to support center. Inside of here, since I'm on a sandbox, I cannot really show anything in here, but if you open your live account, it will work. And inside of here, you can find the support team. Now inside there, you might be able to find phone number, or you will be able to contact them directly and talk with them. So those are the options. I suggest just using the AI first and then trying to reach an agent through the chat. But if that doesn't work, you can head over here to the support center. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.